So now, this is the phase one, right? So I block in the palm, I block in the finger with the correct length in relation to the length of the palm. So now I know that at this point I can block in the other finger. I have one here, and one here. In this case, I keep it just plain, simple. I want to show you a simple diagram. So we've seen that in the case of the palm, I am blocking in the tenor eminence, considering that this is half the length of the palm, both from the height point of view and the width point of view. So it's a quadrant. See, I divide the hand in quadrant. On the lower left, in this case, lower left quadrant, I have the tenor eminence, and in here I can also block in the thumb. See that? So I know that when I draw this, my thumb, how long should I do it? Well, I know that the thumb, if I bring it close, adduct it close to the hand, will end up here more or less. I pass the top of the palm. So I can already imagine in my head this relationship between this length in here. Instead of starting in here, I know it's going to be too short, or starting here, it's going to be too long. So I'm going to kind of visualize this in my head and then start doing this line. So the line of the thumb, so, you know, I like already to give it a sort of sinuous direction, because you see the thumb in here, what it does, this, right? So I started already, maybe you can practice, you know, started already given the correct curve created by the various segment of the thumb. So in here I can block in, if I want, the hypotenor eminence, and then add the I can add now the fingers, right? Keep it always open to the possibility of editing. As you draw, if you see that the hand is too wide, is too thin, the finger is too long, you just change it as you go. So this is just a structure that shows your estimation of the proportion, but it doesn't have to be immutable, right? You look at it and you say, okay, you know what? Well, in this case it works, right? But maybe in some cases you made a finger too long or too short, you edit it, right? So this is, again, the way you plan the hand, and it's not going to be the final result.